Hello everyone. In this video, we have a geometry challenge to solve. We have a trapezium and our goal is to work out the missing length x. The two parallel sides of the trapezium have length 52 and 28. We can also see that both of these sides form right angles with the bottom side. The segment labeled x also forms a right angle with the bottom side. So the side of length 52, the side of length 28, and the segment x are all parallel. At the bottom, the horizontal distances are 25 and 35. The question is, can we find x? Pause the video and see if you can solve it before we go through the solution together. There are several ways to approach a problem like this. In this video, we will look at one method. If you solve it using a different method, feel free to write it in the comments. Let's begin. We can divide the shape into a rectangle and a triangle by drawing a line parallel to the bottom side. This line goes from the side of length 28 across to the left side. Since this new line is parallel to the bottom side, we can mark the right angles here as well. Now the bottom part is a rectangle, so this vertical length is also 28. That means the left side, which is 52 in total, is split into two parts, 28 at the bottom and the missing part at the top. So the top part is 52 minus 28, which is 24. To solve this problem, we are going to use the concept of slope, or gradient. The slanted side lies on a straight line. Remember, straight lines have a constant gradient. This means that if we take any 2 points on that straight line, the rise over run ratio remains the same. So if we can find the rise over run for the large triangle, we can use exactly the same ratio for the smaller triangle. Let's start with the large triangle. For this triangle, the vertical change, or rise, is 24. The horizontal change, or run, is the full distance along the bottom. That is 25 plus 35, which is 60. So the rise over run ratio is 24 over 60. We can simplify this fraction to 2 over 5. So the slope, or gradient, of the straight line is 2 over 5. This means that for every 2 units we move vertically, we move 5 units horizontally. And because the slope is constant, this same relationship is true everywhere along the line. Now let's focus on the smaller triangle. Let's call this height A. If we can find A, then finding x will be easy. In fact, we can see that x is equal to 28 plus A. Now we use the rise over run ratio. We know that rise over run is equal to 2 over 5. For the smaller triangle, the rise is A and the run is 35. So we write, rise over run is equal to 2 over 5, which is equal to A over 35. Now we are looking for a fraction equivalent to 2 over 5, but with a denominator of 35. To go from 5 to 35, we multiply by 7. So we must also multiply the numerator by 7. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So A is equal to 14. Now we can find x. X is equal to 28 plus 14. So x is equal to 42. I hope you enjoyed the challenge. Let me know in the comments how you solved it. See you in the next video.